How to make PDF in Windows 10. First, open the document you want to convert. It could be a Word file, text document, Excel sheet, or almost anything that supports saving. Here, I've opened a simple file just for this example. Now go to the top left corner and click on File, then select Save As. A new window will appear asking where you want to save the file. Choose your preferred folder or location. Here's the important part. In the box that says Save As Type, click the drop-down arrow. You'll see a list of different formats like Word document, rich text format, RTF, plain text, TXT, and more. From that list, choose PDF. Now, give your file a name. For example, My Document PDF, and click Save. That's it. Windows will instantly create a PDF version of your document right where you saved it. When you open it, you'll see it looks exactly the same as your original file, just in PDF format. So that's how easy it is to make a PDF from any document in Windows 10 using the Save As method. Fast, built-in, and completely free. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.